Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Finally, I started a YouTube channel. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time, like years and years and years. I would try to start and then I just wouldn't get around to it, but finally here I am. I saw this really cool trend that's going around lately. I'm sure you guys have seen it, the one that people are trying to follow beauty gurus, makeup tutorials. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going to be doing Jaclyn Hill's makeup tutorial. I chose her because she was one of the first beauty gurus I ever watched. The makeup tutorial of hers that I'm going to be following today is the rose gold and purple smoky eye. I thought this was a really cool look and I just wanted to try it. So yeah, let's get started. I forgot to say, I started this makeup look with my foundation and concealer already on because that's what she does in the video. So yeah.
The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this new Morphe palette right here. This is the 3502.
I don't have that. So I'm going to use the 350 palette.
With that being said, I'm going to pick up the first shade and the third shade in the palette, these two right here. I'm just going to mix those together on a fluffy brush.
Okay. So I'm gonna be using this shadow and this one right here in the palette.
Okay, now I'm gonna take this shade right here in the second row, second one in.
Okay, I think that's like maybe this one right here.
But I love it. I love me some poopy and some pukey browns. I'm just going to put that right over top of what we just did in that outer.
Okay, it looks like she's using the same brush, so I'm going to use that. Then she says she takes some translucent powder. Let me get that. Oh my god, excuse my noisy drawers. And then I'm going to take... she uses like a flat brush, and I do have a flat brush, but I use it for contour and it has contour all over it. So I'll probably just use a brush like this brush. Let's see. No. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this. Everybody's like coming to my house right now. My uncle is here and now somebody else is here. Okay, that brush isn't gonna work. I'm gonna use this one. I'm just gonna like clean it real quick. If you hear people in the background, that's my family. I'm sorry. Is her eyeliner touching?
Alright, now I'm gonna grab this gorgeous orange shade.
Because she always has eyeliner on. It's like a fiery orange shade. It's this one. I don't feel like mine looks like hers. So she said she went back in with the two first shades. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that too. So, I think that looks okay. I'm gonna go in with some translucent powder as well because...
Alright, so now I'm gonna grab this gorgeous, like intense, hot, kind of pinky red shade.
Okay, let me find a shade like that real quick. I'm just gonna go in with this red. Let's see what else she grabs.
The center that I've been using, just because this all by itself is going to be a little bit too pink.
So this one, I'm gonna use the one right on top that makes it more of like a terracotta. I don't feel like it's looking like hers at all right now, but I'm working with what I got.
Alright, so now I'm going to dip into my palette. Sorry, this one is so dirty right now. I'm going to deepen this area.
Deepen more? Girl, I feel like mine just looks like a blob of orange and yours looks like a nice gradient effect.
Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this really intense...
Oh my god, okay. Now she got a shimmery red, which also I don't have. So cool.
shimmery pink shade right here. It has like a little bit of other shadow on it because I was playing with it earlier. But I'm going to take that on just a flat brush like this one right here. This is a MAC.
Actually, I'm going to go in with the one in the Jaclyn Hair palette. This, like, maroony red. I think that's probably the closest I'll get. So she said she's going to use a flat brush. I have a flat brush, right? Yeah. She said she sprays it. So I'm just going to spray mine with just some spray that I have, random spray. Does she put it all over her lip?
So now I'm going to grab my palette and I'm going to go in with the shade Royalty right here, which is this purple that basically perfectly matches my background. Shine through the purple, you know what I'm saying? I'm just going to pat this all over the place.
Okay.
This one right here, it is the editorial one. It's full of so many vibrant and gorgeous, like intense.
Don't have any shade close to that.
I'm gonna mix that with the shade Soda Pop from my palette, which is the super dark purple right here.
So I don't have that first shade, but I have the second shade. So I am going to go in with that shade and use that. Okay, here you go. Oh my god, this is not blended at all. This is not looking good, girl. What is you doing, honey? Oh, yeah. I did this one way better than I did the other one. I got the other one up way too high. More powder on, so I'm going to do that as well. I usually don't bake like this, and I usually don't do a lot of these things, but we're not doing what I do, we're doing what Jaclyn does. I feel like this I need some help, and this is like, okay, it's alive, it's breathing, it's living, it's well, it's fine. But this eye, it's just...
Came with from the Sephora Pro palette on like a much tiny, smaller blending brush. I'm going to take just a little bit of that and bring it into this area.
Again, I do not have that.
Smaller than this, but
so let's see what I can use. It's not as dark as hers at all, but I mean that's all I have. So
I'm gonna dip back in. It's that matte orange shade right there in the Morphe palette.
So I guess I'll go back in with the same brush I was using earlier and that orange and blend that purple to the...
Look at my nails, they're covered in powder.
Okay, rose gold. There is one in her palette that's kind of a similar shade. It's this one. I'm gonna use that. I like how she does like a triangle almost.
It out. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with the matte orange right here.
The matte orange.
And then I'm
using the same one I was using
from my palette, which is right
okay,
here.
I'm
gonna mix those two shades together equally on a pencil brush and just blend it out on my lower lash line.
Lower lash line. Okay, wait. So that same orange I was using earlier, the same one she used. Oh wait, did she dust off? Girl, She dusted off. When did she dust off the? She dusted off the bottom. So let's go ahead and do that. My camera stopped recording, and then my camera decided to die after that. So what she did was she got this purple. You seeing it? And she put it under with the flat brush, as did I. I put it on one eye already, so I'm going to go in with the other eye.
I'm going to take some gel liner. This is the Maybelline Eye Studio in the shade Black.
Gel liner.
Just a little brush, any brush will do. I'm going to pop this in my inner waterline right there on my lower lash.
I've never done this before, so let's hope I don't make myself blind. I'm not gonna use a jawliner. I'm just too scared to poke my eye. I'm gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs just black eyeliner, the stick one, and I'm gonna put that in my waterline. So she did her brows off camera, so I'm gonna do my brows off camera, and then we'll see what she does after that.
Okay, so now that my brows are done, pretty full.
Okay, eyelashes. I'm just using the brand Cara and the number 605. So lashes on, check. I'm guessing mascara.
Like, no,
oh, okay, she didn't do top mascara, but I'm gonna do top mascara as well, just to blend them a little
really
bit.
Short lower lashes. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to contour my cheeks really quickly. I'm using the Kat Von D, the ever so dirty Kat Von D shade in my palette. I'm going to go with that middle shade. And just
I have that, but my middle shade is all gone. I'm going with the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil shade. I'm going to go in with this brush and just go do all the places that she does.
Going to grab a little bronzer as well to that contour and warm up my face.
So I'm gonna go
like
in
when I have like
with
a smoky
the
eye
Ulta bronzer. It's just
I really like
regular
my face a
Ulta
lot.
bronzer. Put it all the places she puts it on.
Even and like everything just kind of comes together. And I am really
I
fair
never
right now.
use bronzer
So much, so I want to warm up my skin a little bit.
Oh my god, I never use bronzer and I think I just put too much.
I'm gonna go with a little blush. I'm gonna be using Makeup Geek
Blush.
Summer Fling.
Okay.
It's like this light peachy coral.
Oh my god,
here.
I think I put too much. Oops. I'm gonna use the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Glisten.
I'm gonna take this NARS highlighting palette right here. These highlights are so beautiful. It's highlight and bronzer.
Highlight.
I'm gonna take these two lightest ones in the palette.
And I'm gonna use the same brush I used for contour, just the opposite side.
And that is unacceptable. So
oh, contour her nose. I do not contour my nose either, so let's see how this comes out.
Okay, my nose contour looks crazy.
So does mine, girl. Don't worry.
It's completely normal in person, though.
Oh, no, mine's not completely normal in person either.
Who knows how it's going to look on camera. Because in the viewfinder, it looks bad. It looks
very good. In the viewfinder, mine looks okay, but in person, it looks like pale nude.
Alright, I'm just going to spray a little bit of setting spray on my face to just seal the deal over here. Just a little bit.
She said just a little bit. This is the finished look I came up with based off of her tutorial. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is my first video of many to come. I'm planning on uploading twice a week. Hopefully that happens. I hope you guys found this somewhat entertaining. Like, subscribe, please share, and that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye!